Assalamualaikum and good morning to our lecture from my dear Dr. Muhammad Faris, Rizaldin, and my fellow friends. Today, we are going to present our project maps for students.
Before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Ivan Ismail with number matrix D202211029192.
And I am Siti Elayana binti Ben Sahun with number matrix D202211022225.
Next, my name is Nelly Simon, matrix number D202211022224.
And I'm Brian Ambrose, D202211022198.
As a group of geography teachers, we are going to produce a project that can help lower secondary geography students to improve their map reading skills, finding that most lower grade students nowadays have difficulties in map reading because they were not familiar with mapping technologies. So, in this project, we were given a tool that can be used as lesson plans to improve students on their map reading skill. Thus, we are using an online tools and resources that are freely available can help teachers improve map reading skills in their classes without requiring any additional resources or material. This tool can provide students with a visual aid that can help them better in understanding map features and how they are related to geographic location. So, we are using the QGIS or Geographic Information System. There is a tool to teach students about the map reading skill. There are two items to cover in this project. The first one is definition and application of GIS using spatial data, and the second one is the tutorial on how using GIS.
The title of our project is Peta Kampus Sultan Azlan Shah, whose scale 1 cm is equal to 0.13 km. Based on the map Campus Sultan Azlan Shah, we use three types of legend, which is polygon, symbol, and line. We use polygon to present the forest, lake, sport facility, college, hall, academic building, and public service. For symbol, we use to show the parking, bus stop, cafeteria, and mosque. And the line we use to present the road. About the color, we choose green for forest, blue for lake, gray for road, black for symbol, yellow for public service, pink for hall, red for college, purple for academic building, and clover for sport facility.
Next, I will explain the physical and cultural features of the Sultan Azlan Shah campus map. Okay, we can see the physical features on this map. I will describe the physical features first. Physical features are the natural features found on the map. The physical features we can see on the map are forests that can be seen in the south and southwest of the map. Next, the physical features on this map is the lowland. The Sultan Azlan Shah campus area is a lowland area, which can be proven by looking at the map. The Sultan Azlan Shah campus map does not have contours around the area, so the absence of the contour on the map proves the Sultan Azlan Shah campus area is a lowland area. I will explain the cultural features on the Sultan Azlan Shah campus map. Cultural features are features resulting from human or man-made activities. The cultural features we can see on the map are academic buildings, public service, sport facilities, colleges, halls, cafeterias, worship center, parking lot, bus stop, and water bodies such as pool and lake.
Thank you, Nelly. Next, I will explain about the questions for these maps. The questions has include 4 elements. The first one is determination straight and non-discrete distance. Second one is bearing. Third one is area, and the last one is accessibility to a location. We have 3 types of questions: is low-level questions, intermediate levels, and the high-level questions. These questions is in exercise to increase geography skills to help the students improve their skills in reading topographic maps. First element is determinations, straight and non-discrete distance. So, for these elements, I choose the low-level questions. For example, what tools are suitable to measure road in these maps? As we know, the road is non-straight distance, so the suitable tools are map measure, thread, and edge of paper. But the often used is edge of paper and thread only. However, for accessibility to location, I thought the example for these elements is a high-level questions, which is, in your opinion, if a traffic light is built in Kampus Sultan Azlan Shah area, what will be effect of the construction for this traffic light on the degrees of accessibility in this area? So the answer should be, in my opinion, the effect of the constructions to traffic lights at Campus Sultan Azlan Shah can increase to the degrees of accessibility. This is because the traffic light work to organize the movements of the vehicles in a systematic and orderly manner, and at the same time to reduce traffic light congestion in the Campus Sultan Azlan Shah. Therefore, the accessibility of this place will increasing.
Okay, we move into next question. The question will be, what is wide of the jungle based on the map provided in square kilometers? So here I will show you guys on how to calculate the wide. Firstly, based on the map scale given, 1 equal 13,000, we need to find the actual width and length of the grid on the map. Alright, the grid on the map is representative by 2 centimeters multiplied with 2 centimeters. 1 is 13,000 need to be converted into kilometers, which is 13,000 divided by 100,000, and we get around 0.13 kilometers, and multiply it with 2 centimeters, and we get 0.26 kilometers for the length and width of the grid. So the width of one square on the grid is 0.26, multiply it by 0.26, and we get around 0.0676. Alright, the first step you need to do is calculate the shaded area of the jungle or forest based on the grid of map, and then list down the full, half, 2/3, 1/4 of size shaded area of the jungle. After shaded area listed down by size, multiply the total square to get the jungle or forest value area. On final step, multiply the total forest value with width of 1 square of the grid to get the width of the forest based on the map. So the final answer is, the width of the forest in the map is equal to 1 square kilometers. Okay, the second question is, what is the bearing of Zahaba College from Al-Mushidin Mosque? So in this question, we can use a protractor to determine the bearing of Zahaba College. In order to determine the bearing, students should know that the bearing is always measured clockwise from the node. The bearing is the angle clockwise from node to west, subtract theta. First step, put the protractor on the map. In one protractor is semicolor geometry tool divided into 180 equal parts. So, put the protractor again on the other side of the arrow. As you can see, the protractor shows that Zahaba College is on 125 degrees. To get the actual degrees, you need to plus the 180 and 125, which is, the answer is 305 degrees.
The reflection and lesson we learn after completing this task is the importance of first knowing the skill of map digitization, particularly how to correctly draw a map. First, know the digitization process, where they can draw map based on pictures. Third, practice asking questions that are appropriate for the level. Furthermore, we were able to foster good teamwork in our group. For the latter, the important thing in this assignment is to know how to read, interpret, and measure maps, such as calculating distance, bearing, and area. That's all from our group. Thank you.